Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys a really handy tip on how to use the built-in DD command to basically dump the contents of a DVD, let's say an operating system like Vista or Ubuntu, to an ISO image just on your local machine. It's really simple. Let's start off by saying DDIF. IF stands for input file. We're going to point to dev CD-ROM, which is just the DVD drive where I have a legal copy of Windows Vista 64-bit sitting. We're then going to say OF equals, and I'm going to set it to just my local. I'm going to call it Win Vista 64 under 2.iso. And this is going to take probably anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes on my machine. It really just varies based on how much horsepower you have. I've already gone ahead and done this to save some time. This next screen here, this just goes to show the ISOs that I have here. I like to use these backup ISO images for VirtualBox. So when I set up new VMs, I don't have to have the installation disk with me. I can just hop onto my server and pull off the ISOs right from there. So just fired up VirtualBox. For those of you who do not know what it is, it's just a virtual machine software. I'm going to click New, click Next. I'm going to call it WinVista. Drop it down and tell it it's Vista 64-bit. Let's up the memory a little bit. And this is just to show you guys that we can point at the image that we create with the DD command to create, to use just as if you had the disk in the drive to begin with. Now that is created, let's go down to storage, click on the empty little CD icon. Over here, click over here. I'm going to point to the Windows Vista ISO that I already have done in advance of this video. Go ahead and hit OK. And once this decides to wake up here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and hit start. It's going to power up the virtual machine. It's going to start as if we are installing a fresh copy of Windows Vista on our machine. So if you've ever installed Windows Vista, this should look pretty familiar to you. Let's take a look to see if that command's still going. Yep, it looks like it's still running. That's okay though. Okay. So from here, this should look pretty familiar. It's going to prompt me here, and from here I would just continue with a typical installation of Vista, and I would have a fully functioning virtual machine. And instead of using the installation disk, it's just using the ISO image that's on my local machine. You can use this to dump contents from really anything, really. I mean, it's a pretty flexible utility. So check out the main pages. There's a lot of help online too. So anyway, this is just one of the big reasons why I like the DD command to back up all my media. So anyway, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.